Hello YouTube. Dans le dernier épisode, du coup, on s'était enfui du Falsi et du lac Breccia. Snow s'était fait attaquer par deux entités. Il s'est fait capturer et nous, on s'est enfui.
Hey.
Hey, wake up! You gotta wake up! Look!
Oh, hey, slow down!
Ready!
Gotta keep you kids safe, right?
J'ai commencé à améliorer doucement
Glad that's over.
l'arme de Lightning. Cette arme-là, elle va la garder très longtemps.
Whew. Man, I'm beat. What, no break?
They're tracking us.
I know that, but we aren't soldiers. We don't have your kind of stamina.
You got enough to complain.
Oh, that's... You... Forget it!
I think,
I'd stick with her if I were you.
later then.
Come on, let's get going.
Get going to where, exactly? The whole of Cocoon's against us. No matter how far we run, there's no escape. That Seath clock, it's still a ticking.
There's still time. You give up too easy, old man.
I'm not giving up. There's some things that you just can't change. A kid like you would not understand.
Yeah, I'm a kid. I don't understand.
Well, I guess we can be fugitives together. Oh, you ready?
Ready!
Oh, hey.
Donc, du coup, on a le groupe qui se sépare, il me semble. Et du coup, Saz a un nouveau Crystarium. Ah! Je vais regarder vite fait ce qu'il a débloqué en tant que tacticien. Volonté, bravo. Ok, bon. Pour l'instant, on va augmenter Ravageur encore. Saboteur, qu'est-ce que tu as débloqué? Défaillance. Ça peut être pas mal. On va augmenter un petit peu. Saboteur, ça peut être utile. Alors, stratégie. Archétype. Ravageur, ravageur, ok. On va partir sur... Bah... Je peux pas faire ce que je veux, là? Ah, si. Ravageur et saboteur. Et on va partir là-dessus. Comme base. Parce qu'en gros, saboteur... Alors, ravageur, ça permet... C'est pas ce qui fait essentiellement les dégâts. Mais ça permet d'augmenter la jauge de choc pour nous faire plus de dégâts. Et saboteur, du coup, certes ça fait pas de dégâts, mais ça va mettre des debuffs à l'adversaire et ça va stabiliser cette jauge de choc comme un attaquant, tout en l'augmentant.
I think a big one's coming.
Whoa, they didn't disappoint this year.
You look dreamy, Farron. Wishing on fireworks, were you? And you call yourself a soldier? Ah,
Sorry, Lieutenant. But I really don't think guard duty is my calling, sir.
well, lucky for you, your shift just ended. Pack it up and go home.
But, sir,
SciComm found something in the vestige nearby. They don't want the Guardian Corps here stepping on their toes. Huh. I'm sure you heard about the accident at the Uriday Gorge energy plant, and how it has the SciComm lads in a tizzy.
yeah. More incident than accident. Something pulse-related.
You're taking tomorrow off?
Sir, for my birthday, sir. My sister, she insisted on it.
21, huh? Maybe it's a good time to send off that letter of recommendation for officer training.
Lieutenant,
You're past due for a promotion, Farron. Think of your sister, and your future, and, keep your nose out of trouble.
out of SciComm business, you mean?
Yeah, nothing good'll come of it. Nothing but grief. Whoa, look at that one! Whoa, whoa, ho!
How right you were, Lieutenant. Just you?
For now, I guess. Should we wait?
They'll catch up, eventually.
Alors, l'appareil. On va devoir. Alors, toi, tu débloques quoi? C'est les trucs de défense, il me semble, lui, hein, au début. Alors, stratégie. Rôle. Ok. Bah, ça me paraît pas mal.
All the junk around here came from Pulse, didn't it?
Alors. Ah, je peux pas encore je peux pas encore améliorer. Comme quoi. Hein. J'y pensais, mais je peux même pas. Oula, non? Mais gros doigts.
This stuff is what was left over from the scrap the Fal'Cie took from Pulse to repair Cocoon.
Visiblement, ton siège on me le propose pas. Quand je ferai les boss, on en parlera. Ah, ça je me souviens. Il faut absolument les mettre en état de choc si on veut leur faire des dégâts. Ça, c'est extrêmement funky. Ok. Oh, j'ai un vague souvenir.
Guess we have to go back.
J'ai un vague souvenir de cet endroit.
I don't see any way over that. Can we get through this way, you think? You know where you're going, right?
I've been here on missions before.
Missions. Nothing to do with the Purge, though.
The Purge is SciComm's baby. Our military is split into two arms. The Public Security and Intelligence Command, known as SciComm, and the Guardian Corps. I was Guardian Corps, Bodum Security Regiment.
Wait, but I don't get it. If you're not SciComm, then why did you board the train?
For Sarah.
Bah ouais, réfléchis. Connard. Elle arrête pas de dire que c'est sa sœur et toi t'es en mode mais pourquoi t'es monté? Bah oui, connard.
Join the end of the line. Attention, purge deportees. Follow instructions and stay in your lines. Personal belongings will be returned upon arrival. Halt! Do not leave your lines! This is for your own safety! Huh? What's the GC doing here? This op's under SciComm direction.
So direct me. Let me on. I want to be purged.
Only civs get purged. Sanctum staff and soldiers are exempt. Huh?
Then I quit.
Line up!
Excuse me. Hey, lady. What gives?
I volunteered.
Really? You don't look ready to go quiet into that good night.
You want quiet? You better take the next train.
Well, now I really want to see what you're up to.
I had to rescue Sarah before they transported the vestige to Pulse, and out of my reach. My only chance to save her was to join the Purge.
You're telling me you got on that train so you could save your sister? That's crazy. I could never do something like that.
Ah
It's
bon,
not a
sans
question of
blague.
can or can't. There are some things in life you just do.
Easy for someone like you to say. Lightning! She left me.
One, two, three. Off we go.
What are you up to? Hey! Wait up! Can't keep up with this girl.
Genre faire les stratégies ou... Non, ça va.
Guess running's out of the question.
On va s'occuper des documents en premier.
Did you see that coming?
Take that. Take that.
Ah oui, on se perd pas. Je pense honnêtement que je prendrais cette compétence même si elles sont déjà mises. Ah,
What now?
j'en viens là. My bad. Ah non. Ah mais je suis bête. Il y a littéralement un truc sur la carte qui dit avance.
Never seen a rig like this before. Here we go. Oh! Whoa! 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 I knew that would happen.
Slow down! Way to go, Zaz! Take that!
Wisdom does come with age.
Ça me bute que ça le veuille faire passer pour un vieux alors qu'il a quoi, 40 ans à tout péter? Sacré mêlée générale.
Way to go, Zaz!
Bullseye! Vanille!
Qu'est-ce que tu veux?
Follow the old man's lead.
Ok. Faut pas que j'oublie que je peux mettre défaillance sur eux pour doubler les dégâts magiques que je leur inflige, et moi je peux m'appliquer foi qui double les dégâts magiques que j'inflige. Faut pas que j'oublie ça, c'est bien.
Pulses evil, doesn't it?
pensais qu'elle pourrait aller chercher soin d'eux, mais non.
This should do it. Huh? Oh! Whew. Piece of cake.
Ok, sur ce groupe-là, on va tuer un soldat de pulse rapidement.
Guess running's out of the question. Bullseye!
Là, on va buter les textures. Puis, pour finir, le soldat de pulse.
Waiting
You see
so
that coming?
sad.
On va faire en sorte qu'il ne reste plus qu'un. Ensuite, je passerai.
Waiting go sad.
Bullseye! Watch and learn, kid. Go, girl! We got this, Vanille.
Ok.
Yay us! Hey! Home! We made it!
Where's Grumpy? Got left behind, huh?
Leave me alone.
Hey,
Oh.
This is pointless. Can't keep up. Can't get home. It's over for me.
It's not over. We'll get you home.
I don't have one. Now that Mom is.
What about your dad?
You can feel it when they go off. Not making a wish, Hope?
Mom, you still believe in that kind of stuff? Wishing on fireworks? Really? That's for little kids.
Who are you calling kid?
To you? What'd you wish for?
Oh, that next year, your father could come with us.
Why? It's better like this. We don't need him. That night, they found the Foul Sea in the Bodum Vestige. The next day, soldiers sealed off the town, and we couldn't get back to Palom Polum. They forced us onto the train with everyone else. My mom, she was frantic. She wanted to get us home, so she tried to fight. She got tricked by Snow. He used her.
Mais n'importe quoi.
Let's get
Il
you
est
home, okay?
insupportable.
Your dad's gotta be worried.
Let him worry. Why should I care? He doesn't.
any father cares.
Sass?
It's nothing, forget it. Huh.
Come with me, okay?
Mhm. This ought to do it. We've got time. We'll get you back home. Your dad'll be happy to see you.
On va continuer jusqu'au prochain point. Hop.
Time to get serious.
Hop là. Et bon, on va s'arrêter là pour cet épisode. Je vous fais des bisous YouTube et je vous dis à la prochaine.